Hey everyone, just sharing a video for those that were interested. It's a little bit of a sad day for me. I finished this thing up just to sell it right away because it's not needed anymore in my family. Relocating and burning wood just isn't a thing I'm going to have to do anymore. So I finished it and made it just the way I intended to, just because it's kind of my baby and I didn't want to sell it incomplete. So I have manual as well as solenoid operated valves here, so I put in a wireless remote for it, and down underneath, those are the bolts holding it on, there's a micro switch for stopping the auto retract. So on the function of the remote, you can east and west operates the splitter, and holding down for maybe over a second, there's a timer in there, it's adjustable. We'll send it into auto retract mode and it'll retract automatically just where like any other wood splitter does. These valves weren't off or detented, so it's just done electronically, as well as there's a button right here to operate auto retract, and then I'm using the e-stop light, lights up whenever the auto retract is active, although you probably won't be able to see it on a sunny day. And then the e-stop can be used to stop it in a hurry, cuts control power to the valves. And then there's a start stop here just for the control power as well. On the inside, nice little box, houses everything in. We use this is a used box I already had laying around, so it had an e-stop on it, so it worked out well. I just use this for control power, turn it out, and we're good to go. Other than that, it'll be sad to see it go. I imagine by the time people are watching this video, it'll probably be gone, but I'll leave a comment once it is. I don't know, hard to say what it's worth. I have quite a bit stuck into it. Well, a lot of it, my wife would say, but I guess I'll see if I can do this while holding a phone. The battery's been sitting all year, so I imagine I'll probably have to start it manually. Yeah, I think so. See if I can do this. And that's about all there is to it.